At Air Logistics, our job is to provide safe, reliable, and efficient helicopter transportation in support of offshore or energy-related operations. We appreciate the opportunity to provide helicopter services for you. Through this presentation, we'll give you valuable information that'll help make this flight a safe one for you and your fellow passengers. Now, let's take a closer look at your aircraft. The Bell 212 and Bell 412 are two of the world's most reliable aircraft, providing safe and efficient transportation for travelers worldwide. Air Logistics aircraft are air carrier certified and conform to specific stringent federal air regulations. Our pilots are among the most highly trained and experienced professionals in the industry. At Air Logistics, we'll strive to make your flight comfortable, enjoyable, and safe. Upon your arrival at one of our heliports, please sign in at the dispatcher's window. Complete the Air Logistics manifest with accurate and complete personal, baggage, and cargo weights. You'll be notified when your flight is ready for boarding. Whenever walking to a helicopter, always approach a running aircraft from the front 45-degree corridors so that the pilot can see you. Do not approach from the rear of the helicopter or exit the helicopter toward the rear. The tail rotor blades can be extremely dangerous, and the tail rotor is very difficult to see when operating. Never duck under the tail boom to get to the other side. When going around the front of the aircraft, be careful not to strike any protruding aircraft parts. The cargo storage compartment is located on the right side of the aircraft in the helicopter's tail boom. To open, turn the handle up clockwise. The maximum cargo compartment weight is displayed on the inside of the door. Additionally, load heavier cargo as far forward as possible. Never force cargo into the compartment. Be sure to secure your cargo with a retaining strap and/or the cargo net. Secure the door by turning the handle counterclockwise. Always be sure to check that the door is securely latched. Everyone is required to wear life vests on all overwater flights. To put your vest on, remove all headgear and glasses. Place vest over your head. The straps are loosened by pulling up on the plastic receptacle. Wrap the belt around your waist. Insert the clip into the receptacle. Then tighten the belt around your midsection by pulling out on the yellow tab at the end of the strap. If it becomes necessary to inflate your vest, pull on either of the red tabs on the bottom of the vest. Never inflate the life vest inside the helicopter. The passenger door opens from the outside by pushing down on the handle and sliding the door to the rear. When entering or exiting the helicopter, do not step on the float bags that are attached to the skids. Make sure that all seat belts are secured inside the cabin before closing the door. To secure the door, pull the handle up. Always check that all latches have engaged. Please do not use excessive force to open and close doors. Seat belts are provided for each passenger and must be worn at all times during flight. Fasten the seat belt by inserting the end into the buckle until it clicks. To tighten, pull on the loose end of the belt until it's snug. Loosen by holding the flap up and pulling on the buckle. Release the belt by pulling up on the flap of the buckle. The doors have plexiglass windows equipped with a vent that pushes out and rotates to provide air circulation. Please do not force the windows or use them to open and close doors. Be sure you do not lean on the windows. Never throw objects out the window because they could be ingested in the engine or strike the rotors. Hearing protection is required on all Air Logistics aircraft. Please put on hearing protection prior to flight. Passenger briefing cards are provided in each aircraft. We encourage you to review them. Please wait until you have landed to unfasten your seatbelt and remove your life vest. To open the door from the inside, push down on the handle. Take care not to damage the locking mechanism. Be sure that all seat belts and straps are inside the cabin. Exit the aircraft at 45-degree corridors from the front of the aircraft so that the pilot can see you. Never exit toward the rear. Always utilize established walkways on helidecks. Helicopter operations create high winds around the aircraft, so it is important to keep a firm grip on your belongings and secure all headgear. Never hold any long objects vertically, as they may come in contact with the blades of the helicopter. Federal Aviation Administration research tells us that helicopter travel is one of the safest modes of transportation available today. Your safety is our highest priority. All Air Logistics pilots are thoroughly trained to land safely in the event of engine failure. All Air Logistics aircraft are equipped with a life raft and additional emergency equipment located in the passenger compartment. Please refer to the briefing cards for the raft location in your specific aircraft. Do not remove the life raft unless the flight crew instructs you to do so. Your helicopter is equipped with emergency exits, like the one seen here. It is Air Logistics policy that smoking is prohibited during all phases of flight operations. Always be aware and avoid the rotors when approaching and departing the aircraft. Please use care when removing your belongings and equipment from the cargo compartment. Please use care when using doors and windows. Always replace seat belts and life vests on the seats, and keep straps inside the cabin. We are proud to be serving the offshore oil and gas industry. We hope you find the information you've just seen valuable. Remember, your safety while flying with Air Logistics is our primary concern. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to discuss them with your pilot. Thank you for flying with Air Logistics.